it. Have you ever wondered how God speaks to us today? The Bible shows us that every generation receives a fresh understanding of truth, a special message just for its time. Think of it like building a house. You don't throw away the foundation to build the walls, you build upon it. In the same way, new truth doesn't discard the old. Instead, it adds to it, making the original foundation even clearer and more meaningful. Just as Jesus explained the scriptures, starting from Moses and all the prophets, God leads his people forward step by step. He continually unfolds a deeper revelation of his plan. But if we turn away from this advancing light, the truth we once held can lose its power and become just a lifeless memory. Let's keep our hearts open to the new ways God is revealing himself, building on the timeless truths of his word. Thanks for watching.